Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice exponential problem. 3 to the power 2x is equal to 7 power x plus 1. We are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, from an algebraic identity that if we have a power m multiplied by n, then we can write this as a power m whole power n, or we can write this as a power n whole power m. M and n are multiplying each other. Another algebraic property that if we have a power m plus 1, this is equal to a power m, let this is n, m plus n, this is a power m multiplied by a power n. When the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. Now we will use these two property here, so this will become 3 power 2x, we can write this as 3 power x whole squared. This is equal to 7 power x multiplied by 7 power 1 by using this property at the right hand side. This will become 7 power x multiplied by 7. So now 3 power x whole squared, or we can write this as 3 squared whole power x. So 3 squared whole power x, this is equal to 3 squared is 9 power x. So this will become 9 power x is equal to 7 power x multiplied by 7. Now dividing both sides by 7 power x, so this will become 9x divided by 7 power x, and here we will also divide by 7 power x. We can write this as if we have a power m divided by b power m. So we can write this as a whole power a divided by b whole power m. So this will become 9 divided by 7 whole power x is equal to this 7 power x and 7 power x from numerator and denominator cancel out each other. We will left with 7. As we are interested to find out the value of x. Now taking log on both sides. So this will become log of 9 divided by 7 whole power x is equal to log of 7. Now by using a logarithmic property that if we have log of a to the power b, this is equal to b log of a. Using this property at the left hand side, this will become log of 9 divided by 7 whole power x. This will become as x log of 9 by 7 is equal to log of 7. Another logarithmic property that if we have log of a divided by b, this is equal to log of a minus log of b. Using this property here, this will become x into log of 9 divided by 7. So this will become log of 9 minus log of 7. And this whole thing is equal to the right hand side, which is log of 7. Now dividing both sides by log 9 minus log 7. So dividing both sides by log 9 minus log 7. At the left hand side, this denominator and numerator cancel out each other. We were left with x is equal to log of 7 divided by log of 9 minus log of 7. So this is 0.845 nearly equal to, and log of 9 minus log of 7, this is nearly equal to 0.109. Now dividing these numbers, we get the value of x which is nearly equal to 7.752. Now let's verify that whether this value of x is valid or invalid. By putting the value of x, this will become 3 part 2 into x. X is 7.752. Whether it is equal or not equal to 7 power x, which is 7.752 plus 1. So now 3 power 2 multiplied by 7.752. This is 15.504. And at the right hand side we have 7 power 7.752 plus 1. So this will become 8.752. Now by using calculator we get 3 power 15.504 as 24962, and at the right hand side by using calculator we get 24960, which are nearly equal to each other. Hence the value of x, which is 7.752, is valid for the given expression. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.